So I'm gonna walk you through this tasty smoker beer can chicken recipe, start to finish. I'm gonna show you all the steps from seasoning to getting it on the smoker to basting the beer can chicken before taking it off the barbecue. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to start with a whole chicken, and you can pick these up obviously pretty much anywhere. I like to pat them dry, didn't see this here, but pat it dry, remove any inner parts if you need to, and then oil up the outside. This is just some olive oil, and that's gonna help get a beautiful crispy golden brown skin on this chicken, although we're gonna add some barbecue sauce, so it's not gonna be like super extra crispy. But you could leave off the barbecue sauce if you wanted. So at this point, you just put on some barbecue rub to that olive oil, and then you're gonna use your hands to massage it all in. You wanna make sure that every crevice is completely covered with seasoning under those arms, legs, all of it. Pull it all apart. So massage that in, make sure the seasoning is all over. Put a little on the inside if you want for good luck, and then get a lager together, or any sort of beer that you want to stand the chicken on while it cooks. So this is just like a pretty standard lager from Texas. So the beer can chicken went right on top. A little bit of the beer was taken out. Obviously, I drink it just for the purposes of this recipe. Ha 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 ha. All right, and then you get your pellets ready. You can really use anything. I love smoking poultry on the Traeger because it picks up so much smoky flavor. Mesquite is always a favorite smoker pellet chip of mine. So you smoke the whole chicken at 325 degrees Fahrenheit on the beer can for about an hour. Then brush on some barbecue sauce. You could add honey to your barbecue sauce. I have a lot of ideas for different bastes and stuff like that at sipbitego.com. So then you just smoke it for about half an hour more, or until the chicken reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit internally. Definitely use a thermometer. I have some thermometer recommendations with this recipe at SipBitGo as well. I love the kind that you can just leave right in the chicken or the food as it cooks or smokes, because then you use an app on your phone and you always know what temperature the food is and when it's done. So then you don't have to open the smoker over and over and let the heat escape. So just cut up your beer can chicken, carve it, enjoy it. I have so many side dishes at SipBitGo for you to check out if you're looking for something good to smoke with beer can chicken. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. This comes out so smoky and tender. Enjoy it. Cheers!